Another red day with AMC. AMC is down by 3.13%. The price is now $12.24, up to $12.25 now, but we are still in the red for the day by a decent amount, to be fair. So again, down by 3% today. Yesterday was red, we have seen. The day before that was apparently red as well. So now we are looking at apparently 3 days of red. People are saying this is a terrible thing. I'm reading all of the forums today. I'm reading StockTwits. I'm reading Yahoo Finance. I'm reading Reddit, and I'm seeing so many negative thoughts about AMC. Well, nobody knows what's going to happen with AMC for sure. Some people say it's going to be a bad situation. Some people say it's going to be a good situation. I'm going to give all of my thoughts and opinions on this one tonight in this very quick video. If you may enjoy it, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. It will be helping out the channel, and obviously, you will be able to hear all of my thoughts on AMC as we do go on. So we're going to jump on and we're going to have a look at AMC and how it has been moving, especially today, because again, people are getting extremely negative when looking at this company. So let's have a quick look on the charts for AMC, if it will allow me to have a look at the more simple ones. So yeah, today we are seeing this pattern here where AMC has dropped. We've seen this one open up at 9.30, fall to these lows of 12.15, then from there we went a bit higher to these highs of 12.90, so almost breaking past 13, but it wasn't to last as the share price came back down to 12.24. Now, a lot of people are claiming that this is manipulated. I think this is fair. I think it is absolutely possible. I don't really think it matters. So people recently have been saying terrible things about AMC when it goes down and great things when it goes up. Now, one thing that I am going to say about AMC, as I have always said about AMC in these videos, if you have done your fundamental research on this company, if you're happy with the investment, there's nothing new to worry about in my opinion. And we've had this news about the share count, people are worried about that. I don't think it's that big of a deal when looking at AMC. Again, AMC, a lot of people expected this one to explode overnight. As soon as this one went green for 8 days, people thought that a squeeze was starting. And this is what I did mention in my previous videos multiple times. This price up here of $13, $14, $15, do you really think that was a squeeze? I personally don't. I think we are yet to see what's going to happen with AMC. I think this one could take weeks. I think it could take months, but ultimately it does not matter. Guys, how many shares of AMC do you own? I personally own 400. I know it's not that much, and I am looking to upgrade this to about 600 or 700, hopefully even higher if the price does continue to drop, and I can free some funds in time. But the point does still stand. AMC, this stock, if it was to explode, if we were to see a short squeeze, can you just imagine how much money you would make? And again, for me at least, I believe it could happen. I think the numbers are in our favour. And as multiple people are saying, this is just our opinion. I definitely could be wrong. And I would say do your own research, as I absolutely could be wrong. But I think this is 100% possible to happen. We've had some people saying that it's highly likely. We've had some people saying that it's almost certain. My thoughts are that it could happen. And even if it doesn't happen, I think fundamentally the company's value could be higher than where the share price is. Right now, I think their shares could be worth $20 potentially in the future anyway. So for me, I do see this one as a win-win. And again, I could be wrong. I could be absolutely wrong. This could be a terrible company. It might not be worth investing in. But for me, I am still holding this one. And again, if you want to do the same, that's up to you. If you don't want to do the same, that's absolutely fine. If you want to sell the stock, I would say sell the stock. Because if this one is going to squeeze, and if you don't have the patience to hold on to it, it could be in your best interest to sell the stock anyway. But ultimately, we're seeing pain today, we're seeing blood. The share price down by 3.24%. A lot of people are referring to what's going on with AMC at the moment as a war. Well, when you see a war, guys, generally speaking, you do see fights, you do see blood. And blood is going to be part of this war. Red is going to be part of this war. It could take time. We've already been here for weeks. Many of us have been here for months. Many of us have been here for almost 5 months. So it does make sense that this one could take a while, and we should be patient. It's so close if it is going to happen. We've seen so many good things about AMC and so much, logical reasons why this one could squeeze very soon. I think for me at least, I would not sell my shares at the moment. If you want to sell yours, that's completely fine. If you don't want to sell yours, that's completely fine as well. Do your own research. It's just something to think about, on my opinion at least. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.